Welcome to day 16. Reading long sound A. Let's read the words with ache sound. Ache. Say it again, children. Ache. B. Ache. B. Ache. Bake. Bake. K. Ache. K. Ache. Cake. Cake. R. Ache. R. Ache. Rake. Rake. W. Ache. W. Ache. Wake. Wake. L. Ache. L. Ache. Lake. Lake. Now let's read the words with eight sound. Eight. Say it again, children. Eight. L. Eight. L. Eight. Late. Late. D. Eight. D. Eight. Date. Date. G. Eight. G. Eight. Gate. Gate. R. Eight. R. Eight. Rate. Rate. Let's read the words with ale sound. Ale. Say it again, children. Ale. T. Ale. T. Ale. Tail. Tail. S. Ale. S. Ale. Sail. Sail. N. Ale. N. Ale. Nail. Nail. M. Ale. M. Ale. Male. Male. P. Ale. P. Ale. Pale. Pale. J. Ale. J. Ale. Jail. Jail. Her. Ale. Her. Ale. Rail. Rail. Now, let's read the words with A's sound. A's. Say it again, children. A's. 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 Face. Face. R. A's. R. A's. Race. Race. L. Ace. L. Ace. Lace. Lace. Words with ain sound. Ain. Say it again, children. Ain. P. Ain. P. Ain. Pain. Pain. R. Ain. R. Ain. Rain. Rain. Burr. Burr. Ain. Burr. Ain. Brain. Brain. Words with ave sound. Ave. Say it again, children. Ave. V. Ave. W. Ave. Wave. Wave. S. Ave. S. Ave. Save. Save. K. Ave. K. Ave. Cave. Cave. Words with ape sound. Ape. Say it again, children. Ape. K. Ape. K. Ape. Cape. Cape. T. Ape. T. Ape. Tape. Tape. Words with age sound. Age. Say it again, children. Age. K. Age. K. Age. Cage. Cage. P. Age. P. Age. Page. Page. St. St. Age. St. Age. Stage. Stage. Way to go, children! Let's meet again for our day 17 lesson. See you there. Get subscribed.